Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Mazda CX-9 wiper blades. This guide will help you maintain clear visibility for safer driving. You will need new wiper blades, a soft towel, and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. The process is straightforward and typically takes less than 15 minutes for both front wipers. Let's get started by preparing your vehicle and gathering the necessary items for a smooth replacement. To begin, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, examine the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You will typically find a small tab or button. Press this firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade down and off the J-hook or pin. Once removed, carefully lower the bare wiper arm onto a soft towel placed on your windshield to prevent damage. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it is firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Once you are confident in the connection, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. After installing both new wiper blades, it is crucial to test them. Spray your windshield with washer fluid and activate the wipers. Observe their movement. They should glide smoothly across the glass, clearing water without leaving streaks or chattering. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. For optimal visibility and safety, consider replacing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or as soon as you notice reduced effectiveness. Regular windshield cleaning also helps extend blade life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.